here. So I'm doing this playlist of kind of home office essentials, so not just kind of your charging wireless pads and stands and all that, but I also have some other kind of stuff that would be great for home office accessories that you can also take to the office if you need to. Right now I've got the Anker 60-watt charger. This will charge your phones, it will charge your laptops. It has a max of 60 watts. However, I believe one port is 45 watts and the other port is 15 watts. But we'll go ahead and unbox this now and then kind of do a quick walkthrough on this product. So stay tuned. Okay, so go over the quick specs of this. It is max charging at 60 watts. However, one port, the USB-C port here, charges 45 watts and the USB-A port here charges 15 watts. So you can charge like your laptop, your tablet, your phone with one, and then you can charge like your phone or your headphones or something like that with the other 15-watt charger. So that's also nice that this has the two ports. This comes with a 6-foot cable, which is nice. So not only do you have the power brick itself, but it has the 6-foot cable that it comes with. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. So we got our knife. Let's go ahead and make the cut on the side and on the side, and then at the top right here. There we go. And we'll set that to the side, and then we'll go ahead and open this up. If I can get it. There we go. And we'll slide this out. Okay, so in the box we have the unit itself along with a couple other things, just some support, we don't need that, and some facts, we don't really need that either. And then other than that's the box, nothing else, so we'll just toss that as well. The first thing you see is the charging brick, so we'll lift this up, toss that, and then we'll go ahead and take that. So here is the charging brick. It's very shiny, it's very small. It has a piece here that kind of flips in and out for traveling, which is nice. You don't have to worry about it sticking into anything or anything like that. You can just fold it up and it makes it a little bit smaller, which is nice. Again, you have your USB-C and USB-A ports right there, so you can charge two devices at the same time. And then you have a little LED light telling you whether it's plugged in and charging and all that. So we'll go ahead and set this to the side. And then we can toss this. And the only other thing in the box is the 6-foot cable. So this is an Anker branded cable. We'll toss that. That's a little thing. And yeah, it is 6 feet. It's pretty long. It's a nice USB-C to USB-C cable that comes in the box with this charging brick, so that's nice. Anker claims that this is about 15% smaller than the Apple laptop chargers that come with the Apple laptops. So I have one right here, and we'll go ahead and just kind of see. So it is considerably smaller. I mean, it's not like majorly, but it is smaller. Do this. Yeah, it's smaller. Again, the Apple laptop one has the plugs that also retract and all that, and it is about the same width and size when it comes to the width right here. So that's nice. The one thing I will say about the Apple one is that you can take this off and use it as like an extension, whereas the Anker one does not have that that feature, which is, I mean, it's just for short distances. So but at least it comes with the 6 feet cable. We'll go ahead and plug this in and see how this goes. So okay, so we've got it plugged in. We'll go ahead and plug in the phone and see, and it charges right up. And the phone, it says it's charging rapidly because this phone allows for fast charging, and so like I think 10 or 18 watt fast charging. And this, of course, I have it plugged into the USB-C port, so it is going to charge an 18 watts as much as possible because it is a 45 watt USB-C port. So we'll go ahead and unplug that. That works. And we'll go ahead, of course, Galaxy Buds Plus charges wirelessly, but it also charges USB-C. And of course the light comes on, which is nice. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. And then I've got my Pixel Slate right here, which is kind of my go-to tablet. I use my iPad Air 2 a lot, but this is kind of my go-to tablet because it is a larger size. So if I want to watch good content on a bright screen, especially YouTube, since Apple and Google have that dispute, so you can't watch like 4K videos on iPads or iPhones, but you can definitely watch it on here. So we'll go ahead and plug this in and see. Usually this will tell me if it's charging. So it is charging really fast. It says battery's full, but it is charging the tablet, which is nice. So we'll go ahead and fold that back up so that charges. And then the big thing is the Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the 2017 one, so it's not one of the newer ones, but it still uses USB Type-C. So we'll go ahead and plug it in right here. And there you go, it's charging. So that's nice to know that this charges with the USB-C from the Anker charger. So let's go ahead and let me find a USB-A to USB-C cable to see if, while it's charging the laptop, how it'll charge like your phone and all that. So stay tuned real quick. Let me go find a USB-A to USB-C charger. Okay guys, so I have the USB-C to USB-A charger. I've got it plugged in, and let's just go ahead and see if, while it's charging the laptop, if it will charge your other devices as well. So I'll go ahead and plug this in, and it doesn't say it's charging rapidly, but it does say it's charging. So at least that's a plus, that it is charging. Even though it's not rapidly, it's charging at 15 watts max. And the Galaxy Buds Plus, we'll go ahead and try that. And of course, these charge. And then let's just test the Pixel Slate tablet to see if it will charge this device while it's charging the MacBook Pro as well. From the looks of it, it says that it isn't charging the tablet, or at least it's charging the tablet slow charge while it's charging the MacBook Pro. I did switch the cords, USB-C, USB-C that's connected to the MacBook into the tablet, and it does say that it will charge, but when I do the USB-C to USB-A, it says that it's not charging. So again, 15 watts won't charge like your tablets, especially if it's a big tablet like this one, or your computers. I know like the Apple MacBooks, the new MacBooks come with USB-C, but I know like HP has USB-C, Dell has gone to USB-C, and I know like the Razer laptops have now started shipping with USB-C ports instead of their barrel ports. At least the Razer Blade Stealth 13. So just keep that in mind, that you won't be able to use the 15 watt charger for this. You'll have to use the 45 watt USB-C port for this and your laptop. But the 15 watt will charge your phone and your headphones, whether that's your earbuds or like over ear or anything like that. It will charge them at the same time. So we'll go ahead and put this up now. Is this a good fit for, especially at the home office and essentials, stuff like that? I would definitely say yes, it is. It is smaller than the Apple charging brick, which is good. I know the Apple charging brick is pretty small and it only has one port, versus the Anker charger here, that it is, from the feel of it, it is a little lighter, it is a little bit smaller. It has 60 watts, or 45 for the USB-C and 15 for the USB-A, so it comes with two ports, versus the Apple one that only has one port and it charges 61 watts. So I mean, you get one extra wattage, but again, the 60 watts is divided between both the USB-C and USB-A. I will say that with the weight of this, the size of this, and the fact that you can charge your laptop and your phone or headphones or anything like this. This is a great home essential. It's quick. You can throw it in your backpack. It charges real fast. Doesn't matter if you have USB-C or USB-A. You can use both the ports versus just USB-C. So overall, I really like this charger. I'll definitely be using this probably more than I do the Apple charger, especially if it comes to not needing a whole lot of space, keeping it on my desk or anything like that. I'll definitely be using this, and that way I can charge both my phone and my laptop. So anyways, this has kind of been a unboxing and walkthrough on the Anker USB-C 60-watt charger. Thank you for watching, guys. Please stay safe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. I try to post a video once a week on Mondays. This is part of the little mini series that I like to call Home Office Essentials, because of during the current times right now, I know a lot of people are working from home. So I'm trying to do some home office essential products that would be great for people's home offices, or if they need to go like somewhere to just get away from the office or get away from other people. You've got these quick, easy, portable devices that you can take with you to help you be more productive. So anyways, thank you guys for watching again. Everybody just stay safe. Peace.